Welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring the 20 game-changing foods that ignited my muscle growth journey. If you're looking to supercharge your muscle-building efforts, stick around to discover which foods made a real difference for me. Let's get started. 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a cornerstone of muscle-building diets due to its high protein content and lean nature. Each 100-gram serving of chicken breast offers approximately 30 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent source for muscle repair and growth. The low-fat content helps you avoid unnecessary calorie intake while focusing on lean muscle development. Additionally, chicken breast is rich in niacin, which helps improve circulation and supports the metabolism of proteins and fats. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a nearly perfect protein source, offering a complete profile of essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. One large egg provides about 6 grams of protein and is rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a pivotal role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. In addition to protein, eggs contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support overall health. The yolk also contains choline, which is crucial for brain function and muscle control. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein dairy product that provides approximately 10 grams of protein per serving. Its rich, creamy texture comes from its high casein content, a slow-digesting protein that delivers a steady supply of amino acids to muscles. This slow digestion is beneficial for muscle recovery and growth, especially if consumed before bedtime. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which supports muscle function and bone health. 4. Salmon. Salmon is a premium source of both protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for reducing inflammation and supporting muscle recovery. A 3-ounce serving of salmon provides around 22 grams of protein and is also rich in vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption and bone health. 5. Lean beef. Lean beef is a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. A 100-gram serving contains about 26 grams of protein and is also rich in iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. The creatine found in beef helps enhance strength and muscle mass, making it an excellent choice for those looking to increase their performance in the gym. 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete plant-based protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. It provides about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup and is also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Quinoa is also a good source of magnesium, which supports muscle function and recovery. 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a dairy product rich in casein protein, which digests slowly to provide a sustained release of amino acids into the bloodstream. A half-cup serving typically contains around 14 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for muscle recovery. It's also low in fat and calories, making it a suitable option for those watching their weight. In addition to protein, cottage cheese is rich in calcium and B vitamins, which support muscle function and energy production. 8. Tuna. Tuna is a convenient and lean source of protein, providing about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery. Tuna is also a good source of vitamin D and selenium, which are important for immune function and overall health. Opt for fresh or frozen tuna when possible, as canned varieties may contain added sodium. 9. Lentils. Lentils are a fantastic plant-based protein source, offering about 9 grams of protein per half-cup cooked. They are also high in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Lentils are rich in iron, folate, and magnesium, all of which contribute to overall health and muscle function. They can be used in soups, stews, salads, or as a meat substitute in various recipes. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for intense workouts and aiding in muscle recovery. A medium-sized sweet potato contains about 26 grams of carbs and is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions, which is essential for optimal performance and recovery. 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for muscle recovery and overall health. An ounce of chia seeds provides about 4 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber, which helps support digestion and satiety. 12. Edamame. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a nutrient-dense plant-based protein source. A cup of cooked edamame provides about 17 grams of protein and is rich in essential amino acids, making it a great option for muscle repair and growth. Edamame also contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as iron and calcium. It can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or incorporated into stir-fries. 13. Oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy to fuel workouts and support muscle recovery. 1 cup of cooked oats contains about 6 grams of protein, and it is rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels. Oats are also a good source of iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which support energy production and muscle function. 14. Turkey. Turkey is a lean meat that provides high-quality protein, with approximately 30 grams per 100 grams. It's also lower in fat compared to other meats, making it a great option for those looking to build muscle without excessive calorie intake. Turkey contains important nutrients like B vitamins, which support energy production, and selenium, which helps protect cells from damage. 15. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is a convenient high-protein snack, offering about 9 grams of protein per ounce. It's also a good source of iron and zinc, which are important for muscle health and immune function. However, it's important to choose low-sodium varieties to avoid excessive salt intake. Beef jerky can be a great on-the-go snack, providing a protein boost between meals or after workouts. 16. Spinach. Spinach is often overlooked in muscle-building diets, but it's a nutrient-rich leafy green that can significantly support muscle health. It contains nitrates that can improve muscle efficiency and endurance by enhancing blood flow and reducing the amount of oxygen needed during exercise. 17. Almonds. Almonds are not only a great source of protein, providing about 6 grams per ounce, but they also offer healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. They are rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, and magnesium, which supports muscle function and energy production. Almonds can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads or yogurt, or used as almond butter in various recipes. 18. Milk. Milk is a well-rounded source of protein and carbohydrates, offering about 8 grams of protein per cup. It contains both whey and casein proteins, which provide both fast and slow-digesting protein options. Whey protein aids in quick muscle repair post-workout, while casein helps sustain amino acid levels throughout the day or night. 19. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a nutrient-dense option that provides about 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons. They are also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support overall health and muscle recovery. Hemp seeds contain all essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source for muscle repair and growth. 20. Berries. While berries may not be high in protein, they are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation caused by intense exercise. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in vitamins and phytonutrients that support overall health and muscle recovery. They can be added to yogurt, smoothies, or enjoyed on their own as a sweet treat. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the 20 game-changing foods that boosted my muscle growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.